Hi, welcome to Carter & Hange and the latest of our Wildtraks. This is another car that's had all the bits added to it. Looks a nice thing. Bumper extensions, wheel arch extensions, etc. Finished in black. The front bumpers and the Ford badges, bigger wheels, etc. Obviously these trucks normally do have a few marks here and there. Obviously they are used as work trucks in the main, so you will find the odd blemish on these ones, which you'd fully expect being a commercial. We have the roller shutter, which works from the buttons to close and open. There's a little crack in that rear light there, so if you want it replacing, we'll replace that. I think a stone chip's just hit it. Must have been happened on the way here. Got rear parking sensors. Again, overall it's a lovely car. He hasn't left me with the keys, so I'm probably going to have to start this video again. Oh no, it's open, so I don't. So there you go. This car has done, I think it's just over 49,000 miles. It'll be in the advert anyway. All the normal bits, you guess, on there. Electric front seats, Wildtrak logos. They just look an awful lot of truck, don't they? Got the lights on the top there to dazzle someone. Oh, the lights have come on with me opening the doors. That's exciting, isn't it? We do offer part exchanges. Sorry, we do take part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to www.carterandhanes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Yes, this one has also had its wet belt, cam belt tensioner done on it on time, and was serviced at the same time in 2025. Thanks for looking.